Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I had to use up some hamburger, some ground beef. It's been in the fridge for 2 days now. I ate a little bit out of it. I have to use it because ground beef doesn't stay too long unless it's frozen. So I'm going to make some beef and noodles using these noodles, like a beef and noodles, one pot meal skillet. So I'll be using, because I'm going to season the meat good, and for the liquid I'll be using my chicken broth. I'll also use my chicken broth powder, chicken bouillon powder. I use this as salt and extra flavor. What? And I'll be putting in my granulated garlic, a little white pepper. Of course, I use some black pepper also, and my granulated onion. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is brown my ground beef. I also have this, and I'll be using my Presto Electric skillet. I like using gadgets rather than cooking on the stove. Okay. I'm thinking, do I really want this? No. I don't want no chicken and noodles. I mean, what you call this? Hamburger and noodles. When I think of ground beef, I either think of chili or hamburger soup. I'm not making this. I'm going to make something else. Just a minute, y'all. Okay, I put the Presto Electric skillet up, and I got my Presto Electric Kettle. Okay, I love gadget cooking. I'm making a pot of chili. Put this up. Don't want that. Let's see if I got the chili beans. Yes, I got some. Okay. I got the light red kidney beans, and I have some chili beans. Sometimes when I have them, I use the dark red chili beans also. Let me see. Walter got some. I'm going to use his and replace it. Let me see. Well, I'm gonna play crazy. Okay. So I like to see different color beans in my chili. So I'm going to plug this in. The heating element is on the side. That in there good. Plug it in. Move the cord so the cord ain't leaning on the part that's going to be heating up. I'm not turning it on yet. Wipe it out. Hasn't been used in a while. Okay. Water spots on my hard water. I'm just going to wipe off these cans. Even though they all have a pop top. And I'll be putting Rotel in my chili. That's what I like. want to see this. He said, oh, don't go messing up the food. I said, man, this is what I like. I cook like he wanted me to cook for over 40 years. And just in the past, maybe 2 or 3 years, I started fixing stuff like I like it. We've been married 46 years. And to this day, I still don't chop up onion and bell pepper and celery and put it in stuff that is supposed to go in. Because he act like he gonna choke. And this is the only picante sauce I got, the real hot. That's what I'll be using. Alright, let's get started. Starting with the meat. I got some ground beef. Okay, see what I'm doing? So that means I got to lower this. Lower that. This is where I want to aim this. Can y'all see this? Yeah. Okay, that's where the meat in there. This will be my bag for my trash. Put it over here. Okay. Get a knife. Cut this open. Smell it. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna turn this on to 300. Squeezing this into the pot. Chili is one of the easiest and quickest things you can fix. I love me some chili, y'all. Love it. Okay. Well, I might have some chili mix since I changed my mind as to what I'm going to cook. Let me look in here. Let's see. I got taco, chili. Chili. Okay. So I'm going to cook this at first. I've got 2 things of chili seasoning mix. You're supposed to use 1 pack of seasoning mix per pound of meat. You use ground turkey, ground chicken, a mixture. So while this is sizzling, I'm going to turn the camera off while I open up everything. Oops. I didn't shake this down. Okay. I will be back. Okay. I must have bought this. I'm not sure where this little thing came from. It's supposed to open up your pop tops. Let me see. I had trouble last time. So I don't mess up my nails. Okay, let's pull it up some. Maybe I ain't using it right. Use juice and all. I'm going to use this in there. Yeah. Yes, I like beans in my chili. Some people just want the meat and the sauce, which is okay, but people like what they like. Open this. And then wipe off the top. no tear. Be careful with this. One time I sliced my arm on one of these. I was reaching for something. This was sitting up and I was reaching for something. This sliced my arm. That was many moons ago. And I have learned since then. Be careful. I prefer using chicken broth. Uh-oh, this was in the cabinet. It was open and in the cabinet. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's low. I'm not going to use it. I'm trying to get homemade poison. Okay, look, I got some more. Right here. Uh-oh. That cooking stuck. Oh, this is at the same level as that. I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to use it. I was looking at the level of it, but this is down here too. I never noticed it before. And I don't usually put this back in the cabinet after I've opened it. And Walter don't even food with that. So, no, he didn't do it. He didn't do it this time. It's 7 o'clock, y'all. I'm just really getting up, getting myself together, and cooking. I just got up, he made himself pork chop. And he told me, don't mess this up with this hot stuff. This is what I like, man. Let me get the hamburger breaker open. This here. Breaking this meat up. And always wait till it's almost done to do this. So the greasy raw meat don't get stuck in these tines. Okay, this meat is done. I season it after it's done. Done. I'm going to get this grease out of here. You can use a couple paper towels to sop it up. You should have a siphon. I'm going to burn my hand doing this. Let me turn this down. Use some paper towels to sop up the grease. I used to spoon it out, I used to siphon it out, but I don't know what happened to my siphon. You know, like a turkey baster. I don't know what happened to it. One more. Two more. Let it soak up the grease. I used one very lean beef and one was more fatty. Okay, now I'm start adding stuff. I'm gonna add everything else right now. Adding my beans. Like I said, I like the different colored beans. You can use black beans if you want to. I have. I prefer not to. Okay. I'm gonna put in my rotel. I'll add my seasonings. I've got some of this that's open. Empty. Here it is. Oh, this is chunky salsa. Dump it in here. Okay. Now seasoning. You always need a liquid when you use these seasoning packets. I'm using 2 packs. I'm gonna put in my chicken stock right now. Chicken bouillon. That's what this is. Half a tablespoon. I'm gonna use 2 of these, so I make 1 whole tablespoon. This is the salt, y'all. This is where the salt is coming from. I want some. I'll use a little white pepper. Just a little. So I didn't chop up no onions. Put in granulated onion. I don't measure. Just pour until I know to stop. And granulated garlic. And this pepper. It's coming out, but you can't see it. I'm going to use the chicken stock. Let me stir this. Getting this goodness out of these cans and the jar. Now I'll stir this good. It don't really start smelling good until I put the seasonings in here. I don't want to dump my stuff, trying to show y'all. Oh, I got some celery seed. So I didn't chop up no celery. It's not celery salt, it's celery seed. Here I go. I'm adding some basil. Okay. You might say it don't go in chili. This is my chili, y'all. It goes in it. Taste it. I need something. What's this here sauce? It ain't spicy enough for me. It needs something more. Can't pinpoint it right now. Okay, maybe it needs another seasoning packet. I don't have chili, but I got taco seasoning. It's just about the same thing. I'll be back. Okay. This is how it looks. Different color beans are steaming up. And I like juice, a lot of juice. So this is purposeful. Okay. Okay. I added some jollof rice seasoning because it didn't taste quite right. I add some new Mexican chili powder. I added this little container of hot sauce from that fish joint. And I added some more chicken stock. Oh, and I added another tablespoon of this chicken bouillon powder. So now it tastes perfect. I'd rather add too little salt at the beginning and then taste it. And add too much and then I can't do nothing about it. Okay. So let this simmer on very low and I will be back. Okay, I'm going to dish up my food, and I got some mozzarella cheese I'm going to put on top of mine, and the oyster crackers. Let me turn this thing off and unplug it. Got this little cute little chili dish. Let's get these kind of things from Walmart. $7:28 p.m. Just not fixing dinner, just now eating. Okay, love me some chili, y'all. I can't stress that enough. I love it. I like it juicy. Wipe this bowl off. Okay. Put some cheese in it. I don't have any cheddar, so I got mozzarella though. Oyster crackers. I always have him a bowl of chili, and he has another bowl of oyster crackers. So he puts some oyster crackers in his mouth, then he takes a bite of chili. I like to put mine all in one. Okay. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, it's piping hot, y'all. Got the cheese up in here. I could put some jalapenos in here. Okay. Okay, I always thank the Lord for my food. It is hot, y'all. Y'all can't even see the steam. If I had some little green onions, I would chop them up in here too. In my personal dish. Not in the whole pot. This is some good chili. Oh my goodness. Okay. Put this pot back. Well, thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. 7:32 p.m. on Saturday night. About to eat my dinner. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.